Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, I have got this walking pad from Amazon. Okay, this is Airhot under desk walking pad. I'm gonna do unboxing and configuration so that we can use it. It was very pretty cheap, and I'm gonna discuss the price at the end. So let's begin. So the very first thing is I'm gonna remove these. Okay, so I'm gonna do, and then I'm gonna show you guys. So as you see, I'm gonna cut through these joints first. Okay guys, so after taking the front cover off, this is what you see. This is oil, remote control with some other controls and a lot of stickers. Wow, I don't know why such stickers. Some more parts. Wow. And yeah, walking pad. Okay, all right. So what I can detach from here, I'm going to detach first, and some thermocol portion. This I can take off. Yeah, this was easy, not bad. Okay, one is out, and this I can take out too. Okay, this oil. Oh, I'm sorry guys. Maybe I need to do cleaning also. Okay, and this is easy too, and this is the wire. Okay, because this needs power supply, and it has been stick to. Okay, so I have removed now. You see this is handrail panel. This I need to move up, and first I'll take this out from the carton, then I'll see you guys. Okay, now I'm gonna show the next step. Okay, so now it has been out from plastic. You can see it's very new, Airhot. Wow. On this side, specifications have been written. There's a switch here. Okay, and of course it needs power outlet. So I have so many in this room, so that's not a problem. Now the next thing is going to be to complete the fitting, because this handrail has to go up like this. Okay, so I just move. Okay, now you see there is a panel here, not panel, what do you call, a screw hole, and on the other side also. So I'm gonna do something. Okay, so now I have got these. So these are gonna go here. Okay, and of course I need to fit. Okay, so I did this here. I am gonna do this on the other side there also. So when you are fitting this, proper leveling here should be is required, because if the hole is not on the level, this is not gonna go in. Okay, so once you do that, and then you're gonna like put it inside, and you need to tighten it. Okay, not too much, but appropriate, of course. Now it's not a treadmill, that's why you don't have any control here on the handrail, but when you are running, you need to control the speed. And for that they have given the remote. Okay, and yes, it works with a lithium battery, and they have given one lithium battery too. Now this has already got a lithium battery here fit. I just took it out from here, and I saw the battery is in there, and they have given one more spare. That's good. CR2025, that means I can use it for my car key also. Wow, but that's not the point here. Okay, next thing, they have given this holder. Okay, so this is gonna go up over here. Let me show it to you. You see the holes? It's gonna go there. So what we are gonna do first, we're gonna take these screws out. We're gonna put it on top, and then screws from back side it all the way to up. Okay, so after unscrewing, I have put it here. You see now that it's perfect match. Now I can screw them all the way up here. Okay, so this has been powered on now. I did the fitting of this. Okay, now I am gonna see how to operate this. So from the remote, I'm gonna do start. 2, 1. Okay, it's moving. Let me begin with this. Yeah. So if I press the plus button, what's gonna happen? Now it's gonna increase the speed. Okay, so that is how it works, guys. So let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching. And So the cost was around $274. I purchased from Amazon. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.